The graph of cosecant is shown for more than one cycle. Data points are given. Identify the false statement. Cosecant 7 pi over 2 equals negative 1. Well, let's see. 1 pi over 2 is 1. 2 pi over 2 is at an asymptote. 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. 4 pi over 2 is an asymptote. 5 pi over 2 is 1. 6 pi over 2 will be an asymptote. 7 pi over 2 will be negative 1. So this is true. Here we have cosecant of 5 pi over 3. So 5 pi over 3 is almost 2 pi. So it's going to be like down here somewhere in this range. Cosecant is going to equal the cosecant of negative 5 pi over 3. Well, this pattern repeats itself to the left of the y-axis. So they're actually going to be swapped signs. So for example, the cosecant of 5 pi over 3 is negative, but the cosecant of negative 5 pi over 3 will be positive. So they'll have the same absolute value, but they will be opposite signs. So this is not true. Here we have the cosecant squared of 3 pi over 4 equals 2. So 3 pi over 4 is here. And so the cosecant is up there, and that is the square root of 2. So if you square that, it will be 2. So this is true. And here we have the cosecant squared of 5 pi over 6 equals 4. 5 pi over 6, or 5/6 pi, is going to be around here somewhere. And it will be right there at 2. The cosecant of 5 pi over 6 is 2. So squared, it will be 4. The answer to this problem is B.